Raghu is calling in from Karnataka. Raghu, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Hi, good morning. I hold Reliance Power. I bought it 2-3 days back. So at 65 rupees. So what kind of target I can expect in 6 months horizon?
Okay, got your question. I'll take this up with Swati then. Swati, what are the charts indicating for Reliance Power for the next 6 odd months?
See, the momentum rally is already been seen in this particular counters. Upside for the initial target will be a 75, and probably we might witness some sort of a profit bookings at their level. If it manages to maintain the positive closing about the same, then very soon, if we are looking for a short-term horizon, at least 6 to 10 months, then definitely the stock is likely to enter into the 3-digit as well, which might take a counter towards 200 levels. But I will suggest to, whenever the counter comes at 75 levels, try to book your partial profits, or else you can keep a strict stop loss of a 62 levels and hold your long positions for immediate target of 75 and 100 rupees.
Okay, our next question is from Aparna, who's writing in from Andhra Pradesh. She's bought Raymond at 738 average price, and she's bought around 35 watt stocks. She wants to know if she can hold or average out from a 1 year perspective. Astha, I'll come to you on this one. Now that the real estate business is getting demerged, Raymond Limited will be left only with the engineering business per se, and the growth target that the company has given is quite significant. What do you think? Should she hold for the next 1 odd year?
Definitely a hold is recommended, although the numbers which were posted by this company was not that very strong, especially if I talk about Q4 numbers, because if I take out the other income, extraordinary items, etc., then definitely the numbers were on the negative side. But now the kind of news flow and the kind of commentary which we are getting from the management side is infusing optimism in this counter, and hence one can remain invested in this counter.
One can remain invested in this counter is the view coming in on Raymond. Our next caller, Vishwas, is calling in from Mysore. Vishwas, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Hi, madam. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, KPIT technology average price 1,330, quantity 85.
Okay.
Profit in 4,000, ma'am. Sheller world, ma'am. Will technical analyst, ma'am.
Okay, I got your question, Vishwas. I'll take this up with Swati. Swati, KPIT Tech is the counter. What are the kind of support and resistance that you're seeing on the chart, and should you continue to hold?
Yes, definitely. The counter is really doing very well on the weekly as well as on the monthly chart. From the last 3 to 6 months, we are witnessing a very strong resistance of a downward sloping trend line. But in the last 2 weeks, we have seen that the stock manages to give the breakout of that trend line, along with the price and the volume momentums are really increasing day by day. So definitely, Vishwasti, you can definitely hold on these long positions at the current market price also. The short-term duration, I'm looking for a target of 1440, and beyond that level, 1500 levels can be seen. So definitely you can book their profits at the mentioned level. So it's a hold from my end at the current market price.
It's a hold for KPIT where charts are concerned, but we have one more question on KPIT, but that's a fundamental one. Nimesh from New Jersey, USA is holding 100 odd shares at 730 a piece and wants a fundamental view on this one. And he's been holding this since the past 3 years now. Astha, what's your view? Should he continue to hold further?
I think so. Although this company is facing certain type of concerns from the European OEMs, basically, so some concerns are emerging from that part. But I think in the longer term, that concerns will definitely recede, and this company will definitely going to perform strongly. Overall, in the short term, might be just on the basis of fundamental purely, might be some hiccups can be seen, but in the longer term, definitely it is a good stock to stay invested in with a price target of 1450 to 1475 at the initial levels.
Okay, so that's with regards to where KPIT Tech stands. Our next question is from Sarthak, who's calling in from Mumbai itself. Sarthak, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Yeah, good morning. So I'm basically holding 15 shares of Zen Technology, and I purchased it at a price of 1,060. So I'm sitting at a good profit, but I'm just not, I'm just not able to figure out should I partially book my profits at this level, and I also want to accumulate more of the shares. So what should be the entry levels?
Okay, I got your query, Sarthak. I'll take this up with Swati. Swati, do you think that the current levels are the right levels to make an entry in Zen Tech?
Not at the current market price. One should definitely enter at the CMP because the counter is hovering near its 20 days moving average. We might witness some sort of a profit bookings if the stock gives the breakdown of that average, which comes to nearby 1970 levels. I will suggest to hold on your long position by placing a profit stop loss of 1970. If it's get triggered, book your profits, and if you're getting any dips towards to 1800 and so levels, you can again re-enter your long positions. So positive momentum can be seen on the high side if only the stock manages to give the breakout of 2100. So the overall setup is positive for longer term duration, but if you're looking for a very short term period or the trading perspective, I will suggest to hold your long positions by keeping a strict stop loss of 1972 levels.